What's up, everyone? Here live with our 5 boxes of 2022 Bowman Chrome Megas here. What's up, Tim? If you are looking for 5 boxes of 2022 Bowman Chrome number 3, yes, number 3, then you are in the right place. Appreciate you guys coming and hanging out for this one here tonight. And I am going to get right off and ripping. And good luck. Here we go. Box number 1. Good luck. We got 2 more breaks here tonight. 5 boxes of Topps Holiday right up after this one. And then 3 boxes of Stadium Club Hobby to end out the night. We are back on Wednesday, not with any Bowman Chrome. We will have more Bowman Chrome on Sunday afternoon, as well as more next week. So if you're looking for more Bowman Chrome, keep an eye out. We'll have some going up on eBay tomorrow night for Sunday, and then probably next Monday, sometime next week, Monday or Tuesday, likely. Alright, box 1 here. We got 2 mojo packs in each, 10 total mojos. A lot of big first Bowman names in here. Christian Vaquero, obviously one of the main ones. Roderick Arias, another one. Alright, base packs here. No color, no hits in these. Just looking for our base rookies. Julio Rodriguez, Bobby Witt Jr., Seiya Suzuki. Alright, Ryan Viade rookie. Julio Rodriguez rookie for the Mariners. CJ Abrams rookie. Alright, Tim, sweet. We will see you at 10:45 with that one. We'll be live. Mojos, Velasquez, Matt McLean, Bergola, Henry Davis, DeJesus, Ben Chu for the Cardinals, Angel Acuna, Churrio, and Brian Acuna for the Twins. Alright, that wraps up box number 1. We'll sleeve up all our first Bowman mojos here as we go. Had some big hits out of our Holiday Megas so far. Holiday Megas, lots of fun. Those ones already ended on eBay here for tonight. We'll have 2 more breaks of our 5-box Holiday Megas on Wednesday night. Those are both up on eBay now. 10:50 and 11:30 on Wednesday nights. Alright, box number 2. So Wednesday afternoon, we've got a 5-box of Chrome Update, and then a 5-box of Platinum Anniversary. Wednesday afternoon, 2 holiday breaks that night, and on Sunday, we'll have tons of different stuff. We'll have 5 Bowman Chrome Megas, 5 holiday, 5 Platinum Anniversary, some Topps Update hangers, some Absolute Football. Alright, box number 2. Julio Rodriguez, base rookie. Oneil Cruz rookie for the Pirates. George Kirby rookie. Luis Gil rookie. Josh Lau rookie, and Seiya Suzuki for the Cubs. So lots of fun on Sunday afternoon. 2 J-Rod base here to start us off for the Mariners. And your mojos, Christian Hernandez, Raul Vera, Denzer Guzman, Blue out of 150, Garrett Mitchell for the Brewers. Out of 150. 110 out of 150 there. Colton Cowser, it came to the league, Montgomery, and West Calf. Alright, that wraps up Mega number 2 here. And number 3. Alright, our base here first. Joe Adell, De La Cruz rookie. Bobby Witt Jr. rookie for the Royals. Nick Lodolo, Seiya Suzuki for the Cubs. Royce Lewis, Alec Thomas. Joey Gallo, JD Martinez. And our Mojo's Gutierrez Rangers, Roderick Arias for the Yankees. Colton Cowser, Curtis Med. Henry Mendez, Mejia first Bowman. And Yuenski Noel for the Guardians. Alright, 2 megas here to go. Box number 4. Alright, base here, Bobby Witt Jr. for the Royals. Nick Lodolo, MJ Melendez, Aaron Judge, Brendan Crawford, Brandon Marsh rookie, Shohei Ohtani for the Angels, Wander Franco rookie for the Rays, Mojo's Christian Hernandez, and Oscar Colas, base auto for the White Sox. Oscar Colas, base Mojo auto here for the Chicago White Sox. Out of number 4. Nice hit. And Colas starts himself in Hulk. Nice hit. Arias, first Bowman Mojo. Carson Williams, Ramos, and Marco Luciano. Alright, and 1 mega box here to go. 1045. Good luck. Alright, our base here. Joe Ryan rookie. Brandon Marsh rookie. Boba Fett, Gabriel Arias rookie. Juan Soto, Nolan Arenado. Jose Mirnada. Jonathan India. And final pack of mojos here. Yendry Rojas. Verdugo. Perez, first Bowman. Hernandez, Cubs. Angeles, Harry Ford. Bowman Diaz, and Edie Cape. And that will wrap up the break here for our 5 boxes of 2022 Bowman Chrome Mega. Appreciate you guys hanging out here for this one. And I will be back at 10:45, excuse me, with our 5 boxes of Topps Holiday. And another 5 boxes, like I said, on Sunday afternoon. No Bowman Chrome on Wednesday. Alright, first Bowman Mojos. Hernandez, Cubs. Verdugo, Padres. Rojas, Padres. Perez, Athletics. Mejia, Cardinals. Gutierrez, Rangers. Bunchu, Cardinals. DeJesus, Dodgers. McLean, Reds. Velasquez, Cubs. Churio, Guardians. Bergola, Phillies. Acuna, Twins. And base Bowman Chrome rookies. Wander Franco, Rays. O'Neal Cruz, Pirates. 2 Seiya Suzuki for the Cubs. 2 Bobby Witt Jr. for the Royals. And your showcase, Garrett Mitchell, Blue Mojo out of 150 for the Brewers. 2 Roderick Arias, first Bowman Mojos for the Yankees. 2 Julio Rodriguez, Bowman Chrome rookies for the Mariners. And your Hulk Smash hit of the break here in our 5 boxes of Bowman Chrome Mojo, Oscar Colas. Base Mojo Auto for the White Sox. Nice hit. Alright, appreciate you guys hanging out for this one. I will see you back here at 10:45. Bye-bye.